H. pylori can be causing your burping and your belching because it produces an enzyme called urase, and that urase decreases your acid production, which means that food just kind of sits inside the stomach, difficult to digest. But that's also why it gives you acid reflux as well, because when your stomach doesn't have enough acid, that lower esophageal sphincter doesn't close properly, and then the acid comes from the stomach into the esophagus, causing the burning. If I have a client and they have belching and burping and I don't know where to start, I always take some Pylopurge to rule out H. pylori being their problem. If that doesn't help, I then move on to the yeast purge.